Corsair's most famous keyboard just got even better. The K70 RGB Pro offers enhanced performance thanks to the company's proprietary hyper-processing technology and will be available with various MX RGB switch options. Stay tuned to find out how Corsair continues the legend. The K70 RGB Pro once again features the well-known brushed aluminum frame, which provides a sturdy, durable and high-quality base for the gaming keyboard and gives it that signature look. Believe me guys, this thing looks really classy. On the top right side, Corsair integrates a dedicated media control with the iconic aluminum volume roller, which is one of my personal highlights by the way, as it allows for excellent intuitive control. For comfort, there's a detachable palm rest with a soft touch overlay and a textured surface for a better grip. Thanks to the magnetic attachment, the pad snaps onto the keyboard pretty quickly and easily. The keycaps are PBT double shot types that have been injection molded. This means they are resistant to abrasion and fading, and thanks to a thickness of 1.5 mm, they are also exceptionally rugged. With these keycaps, the keyboard still looks new even after years. This brings us to the heart of the K70 RGB Pro, the key switches. Depending on the region, the keyboard will be available with 5 MX RGB switches: MX RGB Red, Blue, Brown, Silent Red and Speed Silver. This gives you the choice of linear, smooth, over tactile to lightning fast key actuation with outstanding durability and quality that had established us as the gold standard in the market. The integrated RGB single key illumination is customizable in terms of colors and effects in Corsair's iCUE software. All settings, including macros and key bindings, can be saved in up to 50 different onboard profiles. A new level of performance is provided by the integrated hyper-processing technology called Axon. This enables up to 8 times faster processing and transmission of your inputs thanks to 8000 Hz hyperpolling and 4000 Hz key scanning, as well as up to 20 levels of hardware RGB lighting processing without sacrificing speed. In other words, gamers can gain an advantage as long as they have enough skill. For reliable error-free input, the K70 RGB Pro also features full N-key rollover and 100% anti-ghosting. Speaking of skill, Corsair integrates a dedicated tournament switch on the back of the keyboard that changes the key illumination to a distraction-free static color and disables macros, which is often a requirement, especially for professional competition. And to make it easier for you to transport the keyboard, the sleeve USB-C cable can be detached entirely. So, modern technology meets elevated design inside the new K70 RGB Pro, making it an exciting new addition to the lineup from our partner Corsair that lives up to the K70 name. I hope I was able to give you a good overview of the highlights of this new gaming keyboard. If you need more info, take a look at the video description and follow the links. Give us a like if you enjoyed this video and feel free to leave a subscription for our YouTube channel. Hope to see y'all in the next video. Take care, folks.